Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. So I was contacted by Facet and they asked me if I was interested in reviewing their monthly bead subscriptions. And they actually contacted me earlier in the year, I think it was in February 2018, and asked me if I wanted to open up the very first ever Facet jewelry box monthly bead subscription. So I did a video on that if you guys want to go and check it out. It was the very first ever Facet jewelry box. Now, in case you didn't know, Facet and Bead and Button magazine got together and they made a bead subscription that has projects that are completely put together for you. So there is instructions on how to do it in the box, and it comes with everything you need to make the project. So for example, they'll have 2 projects in a box, like a bracelet and a pair of earrings, and they will give you everything you need to complete that project, including the thread, wire, findings. The only thing you need would be tools, so like scissors, pliers, ruler, stuff like that. So they have 2 different boxes, okay? Facet has the stringing box, which is really great for beginners, because if you want to start making jewelry and you don't have a lot of materials and you don't really know much about jewelry making, subscribing to a box like that would be really good for you, because it comes with everything you need. And when you first start out, you don't know a lot of the names of things, like even findings and how to do a lot of the basic stuff. So I think that box is really cool, the stringing box, and it's really great for beginners. So there is the stringing box and there is the stitching box, which is more advanced. So you would be doing a lot of seed bead work and stuff like that, which I really love. So again, there's 2 different boxes. Now they sent me 2 boxes that I will be sharing with you guys, but I have to let you know that the boxes they sent me are from the past. So like, I don't know which months they were, but she told me that they don't like to give away what the box is going to be. They want to keep it a surprise. So she didn't give me the current box right now. She actually gave me 2 boxes that are from sometime this year. So I will be opening them with you guys. Now, in case you didn't know, the subscription costs $24.95 a month, and if you go and do their 3-month, 6-month, 1-year subscriptions, you will get discounted, just like what you do, with a lot of the bead subscriptions out there. The longer you're subscribed, the bigger discount you get. Now, she did give me a big coupon for you guys. You get 50% off your first box, and you will use the code half off, and I will put it somewhere here in the videos in all caps. So put in the code half off to get 50% off your very first box. We are now going to open the stringing box, and my camera, I cannot get it any higher than it is now. I wish I had a new tripod. My tripod's been driving me crazy. So here is the project that we're getting in the stringing box, and again, every box is going to be different. You have to keep this in mind, and this was a past subscription that I'm opening here. So I really love that bracelet. That is so pretty. And this necklace is very cool too. And I do want to say that because of me designing jewelry and how I go about that, I always think about the different ways that things can be made. So when I look at a project like this one here, after I complete this, I'm thinking, what else can I make with this design using my own beads? So think about that. Thinking about making this design with your own beads after you complete this project, because that would be really cool to see what you can design using that stringing technique. So I'm going to take everything out of the box here, and here are our 2 projects. I'm going to go through the book first, and then I'll go through the beads. So here's the bracelet, and this is a stretch bracelet. It has these really pretty metal frames that you're putting the gemstones into. And it talks a little bit here about the gemstone that is in the bracelet. Sequoia, I think that's what it's called. And then all of these instruction booklets have handy tips and things for you, so that's really neat too. I like that. So look at this necklace here. See, with me and my designing and how I think about designing pieces, I instantly think of, you know, what beads can I use from my stash to make this? So after I complete this necklace, I instantly think, I want to go to my stash and see what I have that I can use to make this necklace. It's not going to look exactly the same, but I can use, you know, things from my stash to make this necklace. So I actually really find these instruction booklets to be very inspirational, and I get ideas, my own ideas, looking at their things. I get inspired by the things that I see in the book. So pretty neat. This would be really cool with pearls, and you can use teardrops. You know, you can use all different kinds of things. You don't even have to use teardrops. You could just use seed beads here. So yes, I think that these books are very inspirational. And it has all the, you know, little things. If you've never made jewelry before, it goes through all the details. So they're pretty cool. Okay, so that is the instruction booklet, and now I'm going to go to the materials. So see how they label all of this? That's really cool. I like that they do that. And this here has flexible needles in here. I actually did a video showing how to make the twisted wire beading needles. You guys remember that? I make my own. And here is the stretch cord. So this is a stretch bracelet. And the beads. Here are the bead frames. And here are the beads. These are absolutely stunning. I love those. Very beautiful. It's like turquoise, teal, and green, and there's a little bit of black specks in it. Those are very pretty. So I will be completing these bracelets, and at the end of the video, with the bracelet and the necklace, I will show you what they look like completed, okay? So here is the bracelet, and now I'm going to go to the necklace. I love these teardrops. Those are gorgeous. Very pretty. I love those to death. Those are so pretty. So there is the teardrops, and here are the 6/0 seed beads. Here is your clasp. Here is your bead stringing wire, and your check fire polish beads. These are 8mm. It looks like a Montana blue AB coating. I just want to talk to you guys about some comments that I got on my last Facet jewelry box review. So some of you commented on that video and said that you felt that the box was not worth $25. And you know, everybody has their own opinion on if something is worth $25 or not. For example, my sister might see a purse that's $25 and love it to death, but there's no way that I would spend $25 on that. Everybody has their own opinion. So I'm going to break this down for you and tell you what my opinion is, and if I think this is worth $25 or not. Okay, this is my own opinion, and everybody has their opinion, but here's what I think. So when I look at these Facet jewelry box, I actually look at these as more like a kit that you're getting to make 2 projects. So these were the last boxes that I got. This one was the stringing box, and this one was the stitching box. So first of all, I know, designing my own jewelry, that there is a lot of work into time into doing my instructional videos. Now this here is an instruction booklet, which is a very nice booklet. Okay, look at the pictures are beautiful, very clear instructions. Look at this. It's amazing, okay? It's just like you're getting a book. So I know that there is a lot of work and time into doing this. So you have to think about the work, the time, the labor into just making the instruction book, okay? So think about that. And now think about the projects. So let's look at this one here. And again, I'll show you some of the pictures. And I've shown these 2 books here in a previous video. So let's look at the projects on this one. So some of these boxes may have $25 worth of beads, some may not. I think they're all going to vary. But let's look at this one here. If you were to complete this necklace and earrings, if you sell your jewelry, how much would you sell that necklace for? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, this necklace, I could easily sell that for 20 bucks. Actually, I think I would sell that for $25. That necklace is worth $25. It's gorgeous. It's made with beautiful materials. It's really pretty. And these earrings, I would sell those earrings for 20 bucks. Why not? So right there, if you sell your jewelry, you buy the subscription, you can easily, you know, get your money back out of it and more. So think about it like that. Now, this project here, now, keep in mind that all of these boxes are going to be different. You're not going to get the same box every month. So, you know, the materials you get in it are going to vary. You know, so some of it might have $25 worth of materials, some of it might not. Now, this stitching box has seed beads, okay? So there's seed beads in this, there's a clasp in this, there's seed beads in this, rondelles. Now, I will say that there is definitely not $25 worth of materials in this. But again, think about how much this piece finished would be worth. That necklace right there, $25 for that necklace easily. Think about the time it will take you to make that necklace. Probably an hour. Think about this bracelet here. This bracelet here is really incredible. I actually really love this bracelet. And you have to make all of these links individually. So there is a lot of work and time that goes into this one. So I would sell this bracelet for maybe $35, $40. You know, it depends. You know, everybody's going to be different. Also depends on where you live, if you could sell something for that much, if you could sell it higher. So it's really going to vary. So, do I think this box is worth $25? I'm going to say yes. When you look at the time and the work that it takes to make these instructions, okay, to even packing, you guys aren't even thinking about packing these boxes, you know, putting the beads into bags and packing them, putting all the labels. Everything in the boxes are labeled. It also comes with thread. So there's just, I can definitely see how these boxes are worth $25. And it's going to vary, you know, each box will be different. So you have to think about that too and not just judge it on one box. This is it. I hope you found this video helpful to you. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos. Like me on Facebook, share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.